Titli's tiny tips.
Freshly picked blackcurrants. If you're like me, you're going to want to freeze some. Start by picking through and make sure you've removed all the stalks. I like to just rub off these little bottom bits where the flower was first formed. Cleaning them to this extent isn't strictly necessary, I'm just being a bit retentive. No need to wash them because you're either going to wash them before you use them or you're going to boil them anyway. Now weigh them, then write the weight and date on a bag. Now you can just pull the blackcurrants into the bag, but when you freeze them they'll make one big clump. So instead, spread them out on a baking tray and then pop this in the freezer for a couple of hours. After a couple of hours in the freezer, they're like peas, frozen peas. Now pop them in your bag, push out the excess air, seal the bag, and you're done. Now pop them back in the freezer.